Thank you for your interest. Here's an example of how to order. So if you would like the color blue, simply leave it on blue. If you would like 1, leave it at 1. If you would like 2 blue, you just press the plus button, 3, just like that. If you made a mistake, you can go to 2. So in this example, we'd like to order 2 blue. Name, Jackson. For ordering 2, 1, name, 2, here. If you would just like to buy these 2, you can click Buy Now. But if you would like to buy more, simply add to cart and repeat the process. You can see I've added multiple in this particular example. So let's add some pink. And I just want 1. Make sure to spell the name correctly. Add to cart. Now you can check out. Of course, no one's going to order this many rosaries, but to show you how to remove, you simply remove down to 0. When I move them to 0, then the items remove after a few seconds. And now this will update your order.